It's a wonderful Monday, traders. Once again, today is another day to make profits in this house. So guys, these are our trades that have been continuing from yesterday's video. Remember that I told you guys that I was going to give you the settings before the end of the video. Unfortunately, I didn't give you those settings on that video. So right now I'm just going to start there before I can say a lot of things. As you can see, things are still going amazingly well this side. I think let me just highlight this one. As you can see that where we are standing right now, and our trades are really going well. Most of them are blue. It's just only this one that is on the negative side, but I know using this strategy, because I trust it, it's going to come back very much quickly before you even know it. So guys, we are standing at 958.35 today, and mind you, all this amount we've been making it together. Remember from the previous videos where we were, it was so low that we even thought of give upping, but today just look at this. It's amazing that after 2 weeks we've been able to accumulate so much on this account. Remember, this is one of my 10 trade funded accounts, and if you want your own funded account, you can just go check on the link on the video description. There's a link there. Go to 10 trade and just register. Our registration is absolutely free, by the way, and you can just be making your money right there. And accounts start from as little as $46, and you can just get your 1000 USD funded account. So guys, feel free, just go out there and check it out. And then let's come back to work this side. So the first thing that I want to highlight mostly right now is the indicator. So let's just go up there and let's see what we have this side. So right here we've got the moving average, a relative strength index, and we've got the envelopes. So right now I want us to do this together, and I want us to calibrate our indicators. So the first thing that I'm going to do is just to remove both of them, because I just want us to be together. So guys, the first thing that we are going to do here is you are going to click right over here on this main function, and then because on the first one we want the moving average, which is just over here. So the moving average, you're going to enter period 100, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, make it triple pixel red, and click save over there. So now we've got the moving average this side, and it's on the main chart. So right now I want us to add another one. So let's go to the main chart F function again, but this time around I want us to just to go down there and enter this one. So I want us to enter just this one over here, relative strength index. So just click on it, and this one you're just going to enter period 1, apply to close, make it 1 pixel white. And as for these guys over here, we are just going to click that pencil, because we have to put the levels. So click the pencil, and when you get this side, because yours will be on the default settings, so just use that plus sign to add the numbers. So you're going to enter 95, enter 90, 80, 50, 20, 10, and 5. Make it 4 pixel and make it black. And then you're just going to go back and you're going to click save. So right now we've got the main chart with the moving average, the second one indicator window 1 with relative strength index. So now I want us to go to the relative strength index over there. So just use this F function, indicator window 1. So click there, and right now remember what we are looking for are envelopes. So we want to enter envelopes now on the RSI, because those two are going to give us something, a wonderful combination. So envelopes is right there. For envelopes, just click to set to default. Just click this button down here, or just down there is set to default. So just click there, and then you're going to click save. So now we've got the moving average, relative strength index, and we've got envelopes. Let's go back to the chart and see how these guys look like. So over here, this one that you see, this red line over there, that is the moving average. So that is the moving average. And then down here, this one, that is the RSI. So that is the RSI. And then inside the RSI we've got the envelopes, that one that you see over there. So that is the envelopes. So guys, now we've got our moving average, RSI, and envelopes. Let's get to business. Now we have the settings, so these ones are very much important. And remember, we're on the 5-minute time frame, because others were asking what time frame is this. This strategy is best when you want to just be scalping around and make quick profits. So now let's get back to business. As you can see, everything is still going very well this side. Remember, today is a Monday and the market just opened. Things are about to be explosive. Let's make more profits this week. This week, guys, let's make the double profits that we made last week. So if last week we made 43, this week we are making 88. Let's do this, guys. We can do this. I believe in us. So now the strategy is very simple. Remember, I said whenever you are going to see the moving the moving average, if you see the moving average just in between the price, you can see price going up, price coming below, coming up like this. So it means basically that price is ranging over there, and if price is ranging, it's a no-go area. Don't look at that one. You are not going to be entering any trades over there because price will be ranging, and if price is ranging, that is not how we deal with things. That is not how we make money. We don't make money through that one. So guys, this is what we are going to do. I just want to give you guys a very clear illustration of how this thing works. So now listen, this is what we're going to do. The first thing that we're going to look at, you can see the envelopes hitting the 90 line level over here. Okay, that's good, but we're not going to be entering any trade over there. So what we are going to go is to wait for price to hit the 80 line level. So after price hits the 80 line level, because this one is a sell setup, so we want to be entering sell trades, so we want to be making sell entries over there. So now price has hit the 80 line level, we are going to go up to the moving average. So if you look at the moving average, you are going to notice that price has now come below the moving average. So if price comes below the moving average, you are just going to wait for an opening and look for a bearish engulfing candle. So if you see a bearish engulfing candle over there, it means that is our confirmation. As you can see, we have got a bearish engulfing candle over here. So now that is our confirmation that really price is going down. So if price is going to be bearish, we are going to be entering our first entry over there. As simple as that. You get me? Now price hitting the 8 line level, we wait for price to come below the moving average and we look for a bearish engulfing candle. If you don't find a bearish engulfing candle, you are just going to look for two recurring bearish candles. So if you see two recurring bearish candles, it means price is going down. And when you get to the 50 line level, for those who really love to be making serious money, you can just double the stakes over there. On the 50 line level, you can just double the stakes and change this one. So you're just going to make it 0.02 now when you get to the 50 line level. Why? Because now you are confident price is still on the bearish movement. Thus, you can see that up there, price is still below the moving average. So if price is still below the moving average, it still gives you a strong confirmation that price is still going down. Now, it means I have got one trade over here which is 0.01, but when I get to the 50 line level, I'm going to be having another trade which is 0.02. So now I've got two amazing trades going down on the moving average, and this is going to be very much profitable. Now this is what you're going to do when you get to the 20 line level down there. You're just going to make sure that you shut everything down. So you just take your profits over there and you are ready to begin a new journey. Just be waiting for price to be coming down there. So now let me show you guys what we do when price gets to the 10 line level. Remember, this is USD CHF, which is just one of my trades this side. That was the first one. Okay, let's make an illustration using, maybe let's choose the second best, which is Euro USD over here. So let's go to Euro USD and check for an example over there, because what I want to make sure is that I don't want you guys to be lost. I want you guys to be with me and to show you. Remember, I said whenever I bring a strategy, I'm just going to back test the strategy so that everyone is with me, we're on the same page and everyone knows what we are dealing with. Okay, now if you want to be looking for buy entries, this is what we're going to do. Price has hit the 10 line level over here, and then price hitting the 20 line level. On the 10 line level, don't enter any trades, because we have to be sure that price is really now changing course and is going back. So now price hitting the 20 line level over there, you are going to go up to the moving average and wait for price to be above the moving average. So long as price, even if prices hit the 20 line level on the envelope, but we have to wait for price to be above the moving average up there. So now price coming up the moving average over here. You can see that price has just broken the moving average over here, and it is a bullish candle, and there is double of them. And if there is double of them, it is our confirmation price is changing, because price is now going up. So I just had to zoom in so that everyone can see. Now remember, we said when we were on the first one, we are going to be entering our 0.01 entry over there, and now price coming to the 50 line level. Do not be alarmed by the movement of price like that. For instance, you can see that price just began to come down here. A price was coming down, so one might just be panicking over there. Make sure you set your stop loss just below the last key level over there, like that. So you can just put your stop loss there just in case. So you're just going to put your stop loss over there, guys. This thing is real, so I don't want you guys to be losing a lot of money. Today is a Monday, as I said, so I want you to go in there and be making serious money. And now let's remove all those things. Now let me just remove all those, guys. So I said, now when price gets to the 50 line level, we are just going to double the stakes. So now it will be 0.02 stake on the 50 line level. But when price gets to the 80 line level, we are going to shut everything down and take our profits right there. Guys, this thing is working. I'm not teaching you something, that I'm just telling you a story. This, you can see, this is evident to you. This is amazing, guys. Let's make money this week. So I'll be giving you guys more other interesting strategies this week, so make sure you hit the subscribe button and you stay intact. See you guys very soon.